Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naran Reddy, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, we are going to see about email scripts in ServiceNow with a real-time example. First, we will understand what email scripts are, why we use them, how to connect email scripts with notifications, and finally, we will test a working example. So let's get started. Search for email scripts under System Notification Email Scripts. Click on New. Now we will understand what is an email script. An email script is used to generate dynamic content inside a ServiceNow email notification. Instead of writing static text inside the notification, we will use scripts to display information like incident details, caller information, work notes, approval details, related records, and much more. Email scripts are mostly used when normal notification variables are not enough. Let's take a real-time scenario. Whenever an incident is created, we want to send an email to assign to user and containing incident number, priority, and short description. For this, I have already created an email notification when an incident is created and email is sent to assign to user. Now we will see how to write a email scripts and how to attach to this email notification. Go to email scripts, give a name. Incident details. Here we will write a script to display incident number, priority and short description. This line prints the incident number and BR tag is used for line break in HTML emails. This line gives the incident priority. Click on save. Now the email script is completed for getting incident number, priority and short description. Now we will see how to connect notification and email scripts. Now open your notification. In the message HTML field, write mail scripts. Give the email script name, incident details. Click on save. This line calls the email script. The name after mail script must match with the email script that we are created previously. Now we will test this email script works or not. Give the caller name as Abraham Lincoln and set priority to high and assign to able tutor. Give short description as Wi-Fi is not working. Click on save. Search for system logs. Click on email. Here we can see able tutor is received the email new incident assigned to you. Let's open that. The body section, you can see the incident number, priority, and short description. This is how email scripts are connected to email notification. And one important note, email scripts do not send emails directly. Notifications trigger the email. Email scripts only generate dynamic content inside the notification. So in this video, we learn what email scripts are, how to connect email scripts with notification, and how to display dynamic incident details in notification. I hope this video helped you understand email scripts clearly. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.